isn't it cool? Like you can just, now I'm sitting here and looking, but you don't have to do anything. Just put it and go and do your work. Once you'll come back, even if in your mobile you will get a notification. I will show you how you used to get the notification if the once the agent will finish the work. Thank you, special deal just for you. Congratulations, you have booked the movie ticket. Now I have received all the details of that mobile message and all. So yeah, this is done. Ever wish you can book a movie ticket without any effort? Just do a prompt and everything will be taken care of. You don't have to wait. You can do all of your other work and your movie ticket will be delivered to your email. Today we will see how the ChatGPT Agent mode can help me to book a ticket without my any effort. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel The AI Cross, where we use AI tools to increase your productivity, efficiency and doing automation thing. So today we are going to use agent feature of ChatGPT, which can book a movie ticket for me without doing any extra work by myself. I can just sit back, relax and enjoy. So let's directly dive into the demo. I'll put this prompt. Okay, I have put my payment information also. That's why I don't want to show anybody. So now I have put here its agent mode of ChatGPT. Now I can click. So now see what it's trying to do. Okay. Yeah, so it's launching a okay, now it's launching a website of, because I have already mentioned I have to book from this particular site, but if you don't want to put, then it can select its own. Okay, now it's trying to open the site. Now yeah, it's found the basically movie. It will search for the movie like a human used to do. Like it's searching the movie name Superman 3, because I have specifically mentioned I need to book the ticket for Superman 3. Okay, now it's showing, okay, this is the Superman buy tickets. Yeah, so now it's selecting the July 31st. Then it's going to the same AMC theater which I have booked, basically asked. So yeah, isn't it cool? Like you can just, now I'm sitting here and looking, but you don't have to do anything. Just put it and go and do your work. Once you'll come back, even if in your mobile you will get a notification. I will show you how you used to get the notification if once the agent will finish the work. Now it's selecting the your seat, because I have already mentioned that I need a recliner seat, signature recliner seat. So now it's coming to the payment page where it will provide the card details, whatever I have provided already. But here, if you don't want to proceed with the card details and all sharing, you are not feeling comfortable, you can ask, agent will stop here and it will ask you to provide all the payment information and then go to the next page. Okay, now one good thing, it has unchecked the box where it will saying like we will get promotional mail, right? So it's automatically deselecting them. Okay, now it is asking, would you like to finalize the purchase? I will tell yes. Okay, now it's order being processed. So order being processed. So hopefully I will get an email. Thank you, special deal just for you. Congratulations, you have booked the movie ticket. Your ticket has been sent to this. Okay. Now it is giving me all the details also. If you'll see, okay, movie name this and theater this, date and time, seat, confirmation, everything. jayantro279@gmail.com. Mail is same. Okay, anyway, I have this information. I can take over from here also. Like if you want to just print the ticket or something or send to phone, you can do like 710 mobile ticket successfully finish controlling. So now I will get the mobile message. Yeah, now I have received all the details of that mobile message and all. So yeah, this is done. Let me know your comments, feedback on this. We'll come up with different use cases next. Till then, bye bye, take care, thank you. Do like, share, subscribe our channel.